Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. Today example of quantity survey, the excavation of underground water tank. The given example here is which is the rectangular tank. The depth of the tank which is 15 feet and surface area 150 into 100 square feet, and side slope are 1:1 ratio, which is one the vertical and one horizontal. We don't know about the bottom surface area. We use in this calculation mean area method and Prism model formula. Let's start. Before watching this video, subscribe my channel for more updates. We have rectangular shape of top surface and length which is 150, breadth which is 100 feet, and ground area required for this calculation. And with the help of 1:1 ratio we calculate here the bottom area. First we use mean area method, and the second we use Prism model area method. The bottom area we don't know the breadth and width of this bottom UG water tank, which is we don't know about that, and we calculated here. We apply the ratio 1:1 ratio. For side we apply this ratio for calculation for bottom width and length. And let's start that. And mean area method we use here. Mean area method, we have giving data, we same right here depth of tank and side slope. Now we have length of tank at the bottom which is 150 minus 2 for both length, and 1 which is ratio into 15 which is depth. Here is 120 feet the bottom length. And the second we use here for width of the tank, and we are same calculation. Breadth of tank at bottom 100 which is top surface breadth into 2 with 2 mean which is both side, and to 1 which is ratio into 15 which is depth. Here is 17. The breadth here is 17 feet. Now we calculate mean area 150, mean length of tank which is 150 plus 120 we divide by 2. Here is 135 feet, and mean breadth of tank 100 plus 70 divided by 2 which is equal 85 feet. This is mean length, the top and bottom mean length, and this is width, mean breadth, the top and the bottom. Mean area of tank here is 135 into 85 11475 SFT square feet, and here is volume of earthwork. We calculated here 172,125 cubic feet. The second method, which is very important, Prism model formula method, and we use here the same calculation from here to here. Area we use this area into Prism model formula method. Let's draw some line here. Here is a top surface area, already given data 150 into 100 equal 15,000 square feet, and bottom which is already we have calculated here 135 and 285. we just type here 8,400 square feet the bottom area. And here is mean area of tank we have already calculated here, and Prism model formula here is D which is depth of the underground tank, and 6 the formula values, and A1 first top surface value, A2 bottom surface value, 4 which is 4 side of the mean area already here and here. Volume, we put the value 15, which is depth, divide 6 and 15,000. Here is top surface value plus 8,400, which is bottom surface value, plus 4 into mean area. Here is 1,73,250 cubic feet, the volume of underground water tank. And here is prism model area method, and here is mean area method. What is the difference between these quantities? And we write here difference, which is the prism model value greater than the mean area method. Thanks for watching.